Forensic scientists have one of the most important jobs after a crime was committed: find and analyze DNA based on samples taken from evidence. In day 4 of the Jose Morales trial, 2 of these forensic scientists took the stand and shared their findings.
The Honorable Judge Murphy presiding. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, everyone.
Michael Morganti and Kristen Maydale were the 2 forensic science examiners who analyzed substances from evidence produced by police.
This would be the blood known sample that was submitted under our laboratory case DSS 19-006892 for an unidentified female that was later identified as Christine Holloway.
On Wednesday, the court showed bloody evidence found inside the home of Holloway, inside bins at Community Crusade for Children, and inside the trunk of Morales' car. Samples of bloodstains were then sent in for examination.
I made the millions of copies of the errors that we were testing and looking at, and then it went on to be detected, and I made sure that at all of the locations that we test that a result was obtained, and that in fact it was a single source profile which was obtained.
Was it a male or female profile?
It was a female profile.
Morganti's work was then handed to Kristen Maydale so that she would be able to make comparisons to other evidence profiles produced, like the ones on the trash bag in Morales' car.
The DNA profile from item 4-1 is at least 100 billion times more likely to occur if it originated from Christine Holloway than if it originated from an unknown individual.
During cross-examination, Morales' attorney brought up evidence on the trash bag, noting that only part of Morales' DNA matched.
It's a situation where maybe part of the DNA matches up, but not all of it.
I detected only part of the types of him. Like, it's a mixture profile. Some of his types were not detected at all the tests that we performed.
The state also called upon FBI agent David Carney from the New Haven Violent Crimes Task Force, who analyzed cell phone data from Holloway and Morales the day of the murder.
So for this time period, we have no data available from Ms. Holloway's phone, but for Mr. Morales, from 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Monday morning on 12/2/2019, the device begins at 6:39 and 25 seconds a.m. up in the area of 6.5 Myrtle. You can see the zoomed in box on the right-hand side of the screen. And then travels south and then ultimately west towards New Haven.
Now, Special Agent Carney and the Violent Crimes Task Force obtained the data from T-Mobile and Verizon. Carney mentioned that because the crime was mentioned over 5 years ago, the Violent Crimes Task Force checked their data several times because technology has changed over time for those cell phone towers. In Milford, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.